Hey everyone, welcome back to Terrariums Gardens. Today we're talking about a plant that can be found in the dense, misty cloud forests of Central America when sunlight filters softly throughout the canopy. A small but unforgettable plant thrives in the dapple shade, Begonia Conchifolia red, sometimes called the shell leaf begonia. The species is known for its nearly perfect round leaves, smooth, symmetrical, and slightly cupped like tiny green shields. But what makes the red form especially enchanting is the deep ruby red center of each leaf. It's like nature dipped a brush in burgundy and marked the heart of every leaf with quiet drama. Compact and low growing, this begonia rarely begs for attention, but when you stop to look closely, its elegance is undeniable. The glossy green leaves almost glow under a soft light, and when it blooms, it sends up delicate clusters of pinkish white flowers or slender stems, a gentle surprise that hovers just above the foliage like a whisper. Native to the humid understory, this begonia is a dream for terrariums, shaded windowsills, and indoor jungles. It thrives in medium to bright indirect light and loves consistent moisture, and not soggy soil. A well-draining mix with perlite, orchid bark, or cocoa coir is perfect. What it craves most is humidity. Aim for 50% or higher if you can. It's not fussy about temperature but prefers to stay warm and sheltered from cold drafts. In the right environment, it grows steadily and stays tidy, making it one of the more forgiving and rewarding species of begonias. Unlike many fancy hybrids, this begonia is tough. It doesn't melt down easily and it rebounds well from stress. It's also pet safe compared to many common houseplants, though indigestion is still not recommended. Collectors adore it not just for its beauty but for its ancestral charm. This is a species plant, not a flashy cultivar. It carries a wildness in its DNA that feels grounded, earthy, and real, and that red center, quiet heartbeat in every leaf. A signature from the forest that reminds you even the smallest plants can hold profound presence. If you're looking for a low-maintenance showpiece that thrives in calm corners and rewards close attention, Begonia Conchifolia red might be your next green companion. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy gardening.